So hello and welcome everyone to my channel. Today we have here the brand new JBL Endurance Run earphone box. So without wasting any further, let's get into the unboxing. So here we have the box. It only cost me $9.99. I have already cut the seal of the package to ensure everything is okay. Now let's open it. This is the bill from Amazon. Let's just quickly open the plastic. Now it's good. So this is the box. In front of the box there is the image of the earphone and the branding of JBL by Harman. The name of this version is Endurance Run. It says here that the earphones are sweat proof, but it doesn't mean that you can just dip it in water. At side it says dare to listen. There is nothing at the bottom. At the back there is some specification written about the earphone. Hand-free calls, magnetic buds, flip hoop technology are some specification written here. Over the top here is the grip to hang the box. The interesting part of it is the magnetic flap which is used to open and close the box. The quality of the box looks pretty decent. I didn't expect the quality of the box to be so good while ordering. I use this box daily to put my earphones because the build quality of the box is too sturdy and solid, and JBL did not provide any carrying pouch or case with the box. Now let's just quickly open it. The first thing we see are the earphones sitting nicely into the box. On the left side there are some more features written about the earphone and a dialogue, never hurt, never fall out. Now let's just take out the earphones. Before talk about the earphones, let's just quickly see what else comes with the box. Here are some extra ear tips provided with the box. And this is the basic user manual. I don't think anyone need to read the manual to just wear an earphone. So this is just useless to me. Now talking about the earphones, at first we see a 3.5mm gold plated earphone jack. The cables are pretty decent, soft touch rubberized material quality. There is also a housing which is holding the inline mic and a multifunction button which is used to answer the call, play pause song, and if you hold it for 3 seconds then you can use Google Assistant or Apple Siri. The only thing I'm missing here are the volume buttons. Now let's talk about the earbuds. It has 8.5mm driver along with 20 to 20 kHz sound frequency. JBL designed this like a traditional workout earphones. As I mentioned earlier, these earphones are sweat proof, so when you work out you don't have to worry about water seeping into them and damage them. As it supports flipbook technology, so you can use it from behind your ear. This makes it a secure fit into your ear. Talking about the comfort level of these earphones, these are not that type which hurts after a couple of seconds. And if you find these earbuds a bit bulkier, then you can easily remove the rubber over here like this way. Another great feature is these earbuds are magnetic, which makes them to manage onto your neck when you are not using them. These earphones comes with inline mic, and if you want to know how is the quality of the mic, I use these earphones to voice over in this whole video. And if you want me to say how is the sound quality of these earphones, I would say pretty nice. The bass is very good. I expected more clarity in the overall sound, but considering the price bracket of $9.99, it is pretty decent. The only drawback I felt are the volume buttons are missing and there is no carrying pouch or case provided with the box. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you find this video informative, please like, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.